Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
If you're over the age of 60, and you make the effort to walk every single day, yet you still feel your legs getting weaker, softer, or less stable, then this video is meant exactly for you. Because what I'm about to tell you could determine how strong, steady, and independent your legs remain at 70, at 80, and even at 90 years old. And please, listen carefully. I need to tell you something extremely important. Do not skip this video. If you click away now, the same mistake you repeat every day will continue, and that mistake is quietly weakening your legs even more with each passing month. Walking is a wonderful habit. It's excellent for your heart, your blood circulation, your breathing, your mental clarity, and your daily rhythm. But here's the truth no one tells you. Walking does not build leg strength. Walking keeps you active, but it does not challenge or strengthen the muscles that actually lift your body, help you get out of a chair, stabilize your joints, absorb sudden movements, or give you confidence while standing and balancing. Think about it honestly for a moment. Maybe you walk daily, yet you still struggle every time you get up from a chair. Maybe you still wobble when you lose your balance. Maybe you still feel that sudden, jelly-like weakness in your thighs when climbing steps or standing too long. That's because walking trains endurance, not strength. Research published in the Journal of Gerontology clearly shows that older adults who relied only on walking experienced almost no improvement in leg power or muscle strength. But seniors who added simple resistance exercises, their strength increased dramatically, sometimes in just a few weeks. So let me show you the 3 simple exercises that genuinely work for people even in their 70s, 80s, and 90s. 1. Chair sit to stand, the king of senior leg strength. This is the most powerful, most functional exercise for aging legs. Sit tall on a chair. Feet hip width apart. Lean slightly forward. Stand up slowly. Sit back down with full control. Do 8 to 12 repetitions, 2 sets. This single movement trains your quads, glutes, hips, and your balance, everything walking does not strengthen. A Harvard Health study found seniors increased their leg strength by over 40% in only 8 weeks just by doing this one exercise. Use your hands in the beginning if needed. As you get stronger, progress to no hands. 2. Heel raises, the hidden key to stability. Stand near a chair for support. Lift your heels off the floor. Lower them slowly and with control. Do 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 sets. Strong calves are essential for balance, walking on uneven surfaces, and preventing falls. In fact, strong calves can reduce fall risk by up to 30%. Walking alone doesn't strengthen your calves, but heel raises do. Do them daily. They're simple but incredibly powerful. 3. Seated leg extensions, best for weak or arthritic knees. Sit tall on a chair. Lift one leg until it becomes straight. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Lower it slowly. Do 10 to 12 repetitions per leg, 2 sets. Clinical rehabilitation research shows this exercise improves knee stability, strengthens the thigh muscles, and reduces knee pain far more effectively than walking alone. Walking is wonderful and important for your health, but walking alone is not enough to keep your legs strong. If you want to stay independent at 70, strong at 80, and confident at 90, these 3 exercises are your real solution. No gym, no equipment, just consistency. Your legs don't get weak because of age. Your legs get weak because they are not being trained to stay strong. Start today. Your future self, 10, 20, even 30 years from now, will thank you. Share this with someone who still believes that walking alone builds leg strength. One strong leg begins with one strong sit to stand.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.